I'm out here working. I got this Dodge Ram to do right here, and this Duramax to knock out right here. I figured I'd just show you guys a quick video of me just knocking this out real quick. I'm probably not gonna go through with it just because I'm by myself and I got to do both of these trucks. I just finished the interior on this Ram, so all I got next now, do the outside, wash it up. So I'm just gonna probably give you guys a montage of that just so you guys can see it, just because I know a lot of people, it's enjoyable to see the detailing and see a vehicle get cleaned up, especially with all the mud and dirt on this one right here. So I know this one gonna come out really clean. There's a lot of dirt and mud that I gotta get out of there. And he was talking about his previous detailer used to get all that, you know, and when they say that type of stuff, that means they want theirs done the same way. So that's how the business works, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these knocked out. I'm probably just gonna show you guys a montage when they get cleaned up, throw this in the video. While I finish up, I want to give y'all a quick tip on leather seats and these rubber floor mats. Like I showed you on the last video, this is a goat right here. All you do is mist it on these WeatherTech floor mats or the rubber mats, mist it on the leather, wipe it down, and then you're gonna come behind on the leather and hit it with a mist of this. Now y'all see how, you know, this just looks basic leather. There y'all go, man. Look at that leather, super shiny. And look, like I said, as that spray aerosol, check this out. Hands are dry as hell. No extra sheen on my hands. They're not greasy. You ain't gonna get in here and slip and fall, bust your ass. You're not gonna do none of that. There's good. This right here too, dry. It's not all greasy up. So I'm telling you, those are GOAT products, all cleaned up. The Duramax High Country. So I want to just do a quick thing. This is actually an RV dealer. If you guys don't know, I actually do a couple RVs for these people as well, and that's going to be your main thing with businesses. You want to try to get a place where you can, you know, maybe get the service people, the RVs. Those repeat customers are going to make your business succeed, not those new customers every time. No, the repeat ones, the one that keep coming back, those are the ones that's going to make your business succeed. So you want to keep your quality of the work. I wouldn't even know what to do, man, if I had me a Duramax this clean now, boy. You know what I'm talking about? Do it for y'all. Super clean. Got his brown leather cleaned up, ready to go. Y'all already know what he finna do in this Duramax as soon as he leave work. Y'all already know it ain't no diesel guy if they ain't doing that. Y'all already know how they are. But this thing's clean, man. Got it all cleaned up. On the front, there's a lot of rock chips. There's really nothing you can do about that. But as far as the truck itself, it is very clean, top notch. I don't know if you can see that texture. Yeah, they're pretty cracked up.
I have to get my glasses, man.
It's all good, but I can definitely get them to look better than this. I use my drill and sand it down. They probably won't be perfect because they have a lot of cracking in it and stuff.
You gonna sand them down good?
Yeah, I'll do the best I can. I got a glossifier over there, a drill bit, and a little drill. And then I just drill them down. I just do the same thing with every headlight I got. So I'll do the same thing. So
they're not gonna be brand new like what yours look like, but it'll look good.
They'll look way better than this. I understand. Way yeah, way better than this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you got a deal there.
You want to do it now?
Yeah, you want to?
Okay, let me go pull my truck over here. Right after I finished that customer's truck, man, over there, this guy was watching me and asked for his headlights to get done. I have to do a tutorial on the headlights, man. I'm trying to just knock them out real quick and get done. But this is the before, and then I've sanded it. This is the after over here. So they're never going to really come out perfect like a brand new set unless you buy a brand new set. But there's a lot of cracking and stuff in there like that. So I always trying to give them a warning, you know, that they're never going to come out brand new. But they're gonna come out way better. Go ahead and knock out this side right here and we'll be done. Yes, sir. It's time, man. Y'all see what we got here? JLT cold air intake for the Shelby. This was actually a birthday gift for me. If you guys haven't been looking for car parts or anything like that, just this intake is on back order for 6 to 12 weeks from most places, man. I don't know how we end up getting this one in a like 3-day span, but most of the intakes and every part for this car are 6 to 12 weeks out on delay, man. It's crazy. I don't know if that's for every car that's out there right now, but specifically mods for this car are damn near everything's on back order, man. It's pretty crazy. I'm gonna head to Charlie's shop, go ahead and get the thing installed. I actually added my handles right here. Got my YouTube and Instagram on the back of the Shelby. I got that done yesterday. You always gotta advertise yourself. That's very important. You gotta advertise yourself. Start up. But yeah. While we let the car warm up, I believe you get 30 to 50 extra wheel horsepower with that intake. So I want to check and see if it's actually a difference. Do I feel a difference with the car? Does it sound different? Is there even a difference with that intake on this car? There is a lot of hype about that intake for this car. I think it's like 400 bucks. So I mean, for 50 wheel for 400 bucks, I mean, you can't complain. Plus you get extra supercharger noise, stuff like that. I mean, we'll see. So I'm gonna head to Charlie's. Try to add this thing on there and see how it sounds, see how it feels afterwards. I definitely gotta get me a GoPro again. I've been looking at that Hero 10 just so you guys can experience this car. It's an experience every time you drive this. It's not just you hop in and you drive it and it's just a normal car. No, when you're driving this, I don't know why, it just feels like you're on a goddamn road course on a track being a stick every time you drive this car, just because of the transmission, those shifts, the way the car drives, the way it sounds, the way it feels, the turn, the handling. It feels, it's an experience. Like, it's something that, you know how you go to those track events sometimes and they have those cars that you can rent to take around the track? This is one of those cars that I would definitely pay for to drive around the track. We are pulling up to the shop. You know, we gotta hit them with the downshifts. It's always something cool whenever you come up to the shop, man. We got a little choo-choo boy truck up here. I see you right there. Looking pretty clean, man. Looks sleeperish too. It's got like stock set of wheels. Clean truck, man. Sir, there we go. That's gonna be the intake right there, and we got the red filter. I hope so we can match. Let's see what we got in here. Unboxing. We got the JLT piping. We're gonna go right there, just like that. And this is gonna be the whole new catcher right here. Okay, homie got the muffler deletes on his G35. See, I feel like that's perfect for a G35. You don't need no more than that. You start taking resonators and stuff off. God, that was freaking loud. Holy shit. Loud, eh? Okay, shitty. All right.
All right, Ben, well, you got the first complaint from your exhaust. That chick just there said it sounded shitty.
Dude, I'm about to get your ass. You're gonna have to give me your badge. It's all oiled up too. It's good. Everything's oiled up and nice. Here's a cool part about these intakes. Is this inlet filter right here. So if you guys see in the grill, there's an opening right there. The air comes in there, goes straight to the intake. Already from the factory size, you can tell the difference between the size of the JLT. So you guys should be able to see the difference between the JLT size and the stock one. That's a huge difference right there. I heard whenever you take off the little cover and you just use it like that, they actually make more power like that.
Really?
Yeah. They made more power on a dyno, but then when it was going on the track, it was kind of a different story. So let's see what color. Yeah.
Oh, you just install that on there. That's call it a day.
Nah. Look at that.
No, that's what's different.
And look at that. Jeez.
Yeah, that's different.
And you see this too?
Yeah, man, I think fucking run all that.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
That's all it takes. 1, 2, 3 bolts and a clamp.
That's it. Here's the old one. Out with the old, in with the new. Yep, that's that vent that I was explaining. Goes right there. So the air comes in. Oh, you guys can see it right there. It goes right in there, goes straight to the intake. So I already got the IAT sensor off of the stock intake. Got it on a new one. Now I'm gonna adjust these push pins, which I really appreciate from JLT to keep things factory form. They give you these little push pins that you can put right here to mount the factory harness back. Pretty much got everything else installed. That's the size of the filter right there. That thing's massive, dude.
And then again, that one's still massive for many cars.
It is, but you know, when you compare it to that, that's no comparison right there.
Yeah.
That's still a pretty big intake for a factory intake, but you can't compare it to this. The easiest intakes for a car like of this spec.
Yeah.
That's super easy. I like how everything comes in place. They give you the clips right here. Just take the intake air temp sensor off of the other one. This one next, give you this, right here. Just push that on there.
Yeah, that's it.
They give you an extra one of that just in case. Filters on there, everything's good. So, ready to go. JLT intake installed. Everything goes right around. They give you the extra duct right there for the air. Hoses are good. This is tight. That's tight. Everything's good now. Just start it up. Hopefully, everything's good. Let me get to hear it now. Oh, damn. Oh, my God. Shut this thing down. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
See what a Mustang feels like.
Yeah. Giving them the keys so we can take it around. This will be the first time I sit in the passenger seat, man. Yeah. Really? What? You ever driven one?
I don't think I've ever taken one in the streets.
And then you gonna take one of these.
That's one on the market.
That's the one you're gonna get to drive it, man. I'll let him drive it before I even get to drive it with the new intake on it, too. Man, that's crazy. Who in the world out here doing who out here doing that? Smooth, right? Like it? Feels good, right? And then whenever you come to a slowdown, it's gonna automatically do its downshifts and stuff too. That's crazy, right? You can give it gas, shit. Back tires starting to break loose a little bit, aren't you?
You don't fucking feel it either. I felt it move, but I didn't actually feel the car.
Yeah, I felt a little, little squirreliness back there. Look at Mustang on Mustang action. Look at him, boy, trying it. Ooh. It was loud?
It was fucking loud, bro. It's like started going on boost. It's fucking started.
Start getting loud. Look at these dudes. They don't want these problems, man. And they look like he got little race stars on it. Oh yeah, guys, it feels so much nicer. So this is my quick drive with the intake on it. I just let Charlie take it around. Oh yeah, I can hear it whistling now. That's crazy. Yeah, I can definitely hear the car whistling now. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear that intake. That's crazy. Now we got a little Stang in front of us. You don't want it? You don't want it? Ooh. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, you can hear it whistling now. That's crazy. Woo-wee. We're spinning the whole time. That's crazy. And I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. That's the JLT Intake install. Oh. The car definitely feels a lot more aggressive now. I can tell there's more power there because I'm spinning, doing stuff that I wasn't spinning before. And I can definitely hear it like whistling now up front. It sounds like a Pro Charger almost. It's like a Pro Charger noise, which is pretty damn good. That's dope. I like that. I wish they would have sent it to me like all these sponsored people. But I ain't got no sponsors, so it was bought for me for a birthday gift. So I really appreciate that. And sheesh, I wish you guys could hear that whistle noise, man. That thing's crazy. Well, now I'm going to go ahead and park it and get ready for the LMR event. Shout out to you guys. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. I appreciate the support from everybody on the channel, man. Let's try to get the subscribers up. I know I don't ask for much, but let's try to push for more subscribers. Peace out, man.